Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm going to simply show you some of the common solutions and how you can fix if you are having a login error on your Instagram app. Now, before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. The first fix I would simply recommend you is to simply open your App Store, whether you're on your Android or whether you are using it on your iPhone. In the search box, you need to go ahead and simply type in Instagram and then check whether the Instagram app has an update rolled out or not. So if there is an update available, then you'll be able to see a green update button, or if you're on your iPhone, then you'll be able to see a blue update button. Go ahead and update the application for this without any hesitation and try to see if the error has been fixed or not. Now, after you update the application and you are still running and you are still having errors on your Instagram login page, the other thing I would simply recommend doing is, first of all, open settings, and if you're on your iPhone, then you want to simply offload the application. You can do that by going to general and then going to iPhone storage, selecting Instagram and then offloading. For Android users, you want to scroll down and then here you want to find the option called apps. So I'm going to simply tap on apps right over here, and as we tap on apps here, you want to scroll down until you find the option called Instagram. So we are going to scroll until we find Instagram right over here, and as we find Instagram, we're going to simply tap on it, and here you want to simply select storage. As we tap on storage at the bottom right hand side, first of all, you want to simply clear the cache files, and then you also want to clear data and then come back. Now, once you clear your cache files and data, the other thing I would recommend is that you force stop and restart the application. So at the bottom right, you want to simply tap on force stop and then you tap on OK. Once you force stop the application, open Instagram app again and check whether the issue has been fixed or not. And if this fixed your issue, then that is perfectly fine. But if it didn't, then maybe the problem is not of your device but maybe of your account. Maybe that you are entering an incorrect login credentials, maybe your login session expired, or maybe you've forgotten your password. If that is the case, then you want to simply learn to reset your Instagram password. Then you can simply tap on login right over here, then you can tap on get help with logging in, and then you can type in the email, username, and so many more options. Go ahead and reset your password and then try to log into your Instagram account then. So these were some of the fixes on how you can actually fix if you are having Instagram login error on your device. We hope you liked this video. If you did like it, make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. And if you have any more questions, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.